This is Joe Vaclavik from CME Group here in Chicago. The corn market traded both sides of unchanged in a pretty quiet session here on Tuesday. Things have leveled off this week. We saw some volatility in the corn market late last week. It had to do with trade tensions between the U.S. and China, all sorts of tariff talk floating around, but we've leveled off here. Now we've got a big USDA report on Thursday morning. This is the prospective plantings and quarterly stocks report from USDA. That'll be out at 11 o'clock Thursday morning. This is one of the biggest reports of the year. The big ticket item here is the acreage number. Many traders believe that the corn acreage number will be slightly smaller than it was last year. Somewhere around 89.5 million acres is what is expected. We'll see what USDA has to say about that. Remember, this is a survey-based report. The surveys were taken a few weeks ago, so we'll see what farmers say. A lot of anticipation that we'll see a higher soybean acreage number versus last year at the expense of corn. Once we get past the acreage report, it's really going to be all about U.S. weather and what type of U.S. crop we can expect. There's already been some talk about planting weather and planting delays in some areas of the South due to heavy rains. I don't think that's anything that will play into the market here for a while. The market generally doesn't react to planting delays unless they become very, very severe, but weather will be the next big item here over the next several months. Again, Joe Vaclavik from CME Group here in Chicago.